These are the strongest animals on the planet. Number 1 is...
Meet the Belgian Blue, the world's most jacked cow. Thanks to a natural mutation called double muscling, these bulls are pure muscle. Weighing up to 1,250 kilograms, they look like four-legged bodybuilders, but are actually calm and gentle giants. Just don't make them angry. Belgian Draft Horse. Next up, the Belgian Draft Horse, the strongest horse breed alive. These horses were bred to pull insanely heavy loads and have even won global pulling contests. The tallest horse ever, Big Jake, was one of them. They're giant, powerful, and surprisingly sweet. Gorilla. Gorillas may look like buff humans, but they're way stronger. They can weigh 600 pounds, carry 10 times their body weight, and their arms can span 8 feet. You really don't want to arm wrestle one. African Bush Elephant. The largest land animal is also a powerhouse. African elephants can lift up to 9 tons, that's 3 cars, using their trunks which have over 40,000 muscles. And yes, they can flip a car. Dung beetle. The tiniest and strongest of them all. The dung beetle. Pound for pound, it's unbeatable, pulling over 1,100 times its weight. That's like a human dragging 80 tons or 6 buses. Now that's real bug power.